Hello everyone, it's Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. Now I know I haven't done a video in a little bit. I've been getting things done. But the friends at Super Clean reached out to me a while ago to do a giveaway. And I was going to show how Super Clean works. But I now got a different truck. This truck is brand new. It's got 7,800 miles on it now. So I cannot show the Super Clean in action. But what Super Clean is going to give you, I'll show you right now. Give you a bottle of the Super Clean. Dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. 32-ounce bottle and an aerosol can. I thought I had one here in the truck. I have the box they sent me. It's in my car, because I moved everything from my truck to my car. When I got this truck, I haven't put everything back yet. So you will get a bottle of Super Clean, and then you'll get the aerosol can of Super Clean also. So if you want to be part of the Super Clean contest, Super Clean, let me know you, one, want to be a part of this contest. Two, you have a U.S. address. To have this product shipped from Super Clean, it has to be a U.S. address. Thank you to the folks at Super Clean. And at the beginning of September or sometime, I will put the names of the hat in a hat, or maybe I'll find some way to do a drawing. Put names in a hat, do a shuffle deal for whatever, and there'll be one contest winner. So leave comment down below if you want it, if you have a U.S. address, and two, if you want to be a part of this contest. And it'll be sometime in September, I will do it. But this contest is open the whole month of August 2025. Check out the good works of Super Clean. Like I said, I would have shown how some of this worked on my old truck, because I did have some grease and needed to be washed. But I'm now on a 2026 Peterbilt, and I will have a video about that outside later. So thumb up the video. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. Thank you to the great folks at Super Clean for sponsoring this video. And I still got a lot of packing, organizing to do in this truck. So thumb up the video. Thank you, Super Clean. Has to be a U.S. resident. And let me know if you want to be part of the drawing, and I'll put your name in a hat. Sometime in September, we'll draw. Thank you, Super Clean.